Ever tried to write vertical text in Word Mobile but got stuck? Yeah, same here at first, but don't worry, this is actually super easy once you know the trick. Let me show you. Alright, first things first, open up your Microsoft Word app on your phone. You can either create a new document or just use one you already have. Now, head over to the Insert menu. From there, tap on Text Box. This is important because we're going to use the text box to control the direction of the text. Once the text box appears, go ahead and type whatever text you want. Don't worry about making it vertical just yet. Next, take a moment to style your text. Change the font, make it bigger, adjust the color, basically make it look how you want. Now here's the key step. To make your text vertical, just rotate the text box. Yep, that's it. Rotate it about 90 degrees until it looks like a vertical layout. Almost done. If you don't want that box outline showing, just tap on the text box, then go to Fill and choose No Fill. After that, go to Outline and select No Outline. And boom, your vertical text is ready. Clean and simple. See? Way easier than you thought, right? Now you can level up your Word designs straight from your phone. Try it out and let me know how it goes.